This video is about the mineral bottom switchbacks near Moab, which is a section of road near the Canyonlands National Park in Utah that connects the Island in the Sky Plateau with the Green River and the White Rim Road. This is an interesting section of road because of the intense switchbacks, and it represents the only access to mineral bottom campsites and boat launch on the Green River. Here we are leaving downtown Moab and driving north on Highway 191. Mineral Bottom is 38 miles northwest of Moab, Utah. At Moab Giants, we take a left on Highway 313, which is the only access to Canyonlands Island in the Sky. Here we take a right on Mineral Canyon Road, which is a dirt road that takes us all the way to Mineral Bottom. Elevation at the turnoff is 5,914 feet, and the elevation at the top of the switchbacks is 4,880 feet, so we drop about 1,000 feet before we even get to the rim of the canyon. The switchbacks drop us another 1,000 feet to Mineral Bottom and the Green River. The switchbacks are pretty gnarly, so if you're afraid of heights, you might want to close your eyes, unless of course you're driving. Well, we have arrived at the top of the switchbacks. The drone is looking west and down into the switchbacks. I was lucky enough to catch a rafting expedition in a bus and trailer heading down the switchbacks, which will help show us the scale of the cliffs. The Mineral Bottom Switchbacks is the only western access in and out of the White Rim Road. Many of you already know about the White Rim Road, and I'm sure it's on some of your bucket lists. The White Rim Road is located mostly in Canyonlands National Park and winds its way along a bench of white rocks where it gets its name. This is where the drone follows my Jeep from the bottom to the top of the switchbacks. This is where the drone loses lock on my Jeep, so it doesn't quite make it to the top of the switchbacks. The next 5 minutes is unbroken footage from the GoPro mounted on the front of my Jeep from the bottom all the way to the top. Well, we have come to the end of the video. There are a lot of reasons to explore the mineral bottom switchbacks. It's the western access to the world-famous White Rim Road. It's an access to Green River rafting and boating adventures. It's also very popular for base jumpers with its easy access road top to bottom. But finally, it's just a fun section of road that's very scenic and interesting. So enjoy your time exploring the Moab area, and I will see you in the next video.